Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ana Febrianti Rahayu with students number 231222122 from class D. And here I will explain about total physical response or TPR method. So what is TPR? Total physical response or TPR is a method of teaching a language that is based on the coordination of speech and action. Its goal is to teach language through the use of physical activity. In TPR, instructor give a commands to students in the target language, and students respond with whole body action. Total physical response is often used alongside other methods and techniques. It is popular with beginners and with young learners, although it can be used with students of all levels and all age groups. And then for the benefit, according to Tarigan 2009, one of the benefits of using the TPR method is that it helps students to improve both their understanding and their memory through the use of their body movements when responding to commands. The imperative form of language is a very powerful instrument that can be used to manipulate the behavior of students and direct their understanding through the use of movement or action. And the application of TPR, force reading, predicting skills and reading the text. And second, writing, making a dialogue and picturing. And third, vocabulary, reality demonstration and conversation. And the structure, reality demonstration. So students will learning by action, learning by doing. If we use this method, and then basic principles of TPR. First, listening ability and vocabulary must be developed first. Second, there must not be any stress in the class. And third, regular repetition and action verbs are the core of TPR. And then create an artificial English community in the classroom, expose the natural use of language, and then last, not forcing but exploit the students' errors for exposing other structure points. So for pre-task of vocabulary and pronunciation warm-up, teacher quickly reviews 7 until 10 known action verbs. Example, stand up, drive, ace, look, look up, reach, check out, and pay. And then students immediately act out the commands, and then teacher introduces and models 7 until 10 key vocabulary words or phrases crucial for the story. And then the teacher pronounces each word slowly and clearly, and students physically mime the action. And then for the core, the supermarket story action integration, for example, for the activities. For phase one, teacher as commander input. The teacher reads the story narrative below slowly and dramatically, and then all students act out the story simultaneously and continuously. The teacher monitors action, occasionally repeating a command with exaggerated pronunciation for clarity. Phase 2. Students' production output. First, divide the story into 4 short sections. 4 different students are chosen to be the commanders, and then each student's commander take a turn reading their section of the story L2, while the rest of the class and the teacher acts it out. For the text or story narrative, the title is The Supermarket Story, and then teacher reads bold text like it is time to shop, stand up and find your keys. And students meme patting pockets. And then we walk out the door and drive to the store. Meme steering a car. And then for section 2, we have arrived. Stop at the entrance. Grab the card. Meme the grabbing the handle like that. And then for the post task, quick review and final drill. This is called quick fire TPR check. And the teacher rapidly calls out the 4 most challenging words or phrases from the pre-task and core task. Example, select the quit, grab the card, check out, and then students respond physically. And then pronunciation drill, teacher writes the 3 trickiest words on the board. And then the class repeats the words 3 times and then focusing on stress and sounds. Lead by the teacher's clear model. And then for the example of implementing this method in classroom, you can watch this video.
Okay. Good morning, class.
Good morning.
Today we are learning about going to the supermarket. But first, let's move and stand up, please. Here, new words for the store. Watch me and repeat the action. Okay. First, keys. And you will do the action like this. Okay. And second, drive. The action. Okay. Next, grab the card. Like this. Okay. With the action. Keys. Drive. Grab the card. Okay, good job, guys. Next, we will practice and listen closely. You must perform every action I say without stopping. Ready?
Ready.
Okay. It is time to shop. Stand up. Stand up. And find your keys. We walk out the door. And drive to the store. We have arrived. Stop. Grab the card. Now we walk down the aisle. We need fruit. Select the fruit. Okay, good job, guys. Now, you are a commander. Commander 1, 2, 3, 4. We will act out the story one more time, but each student will read the commands. The rest of us follow their instruction perfectly. First, Commander 1, please.
It's time to sew. Stand